Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, we are discussing about Microsoft Word 2016 and this is fourth part. In previous part, we discussed about how to print a document in Microsoft Word. So today we will discuss about inserting header and footer in your document. सो हेडर एंड फुटर बेसिकली होते क्या है। हेडर वो पर्टिकुलर डेटा होता है जो आपके पेज के सबसे ऊपर शो होता है और फुटर वो डेटा होता है जो पेज के सबसे नीचे शो होता है। जैसे कि आप अपनी बुक में देखते हैं कि सबसे बॉटम में पेज नंबर लिखे होते हैं और हर एक पेज पे एक पर्टिकुलर पेज नंबर एक सीक्वेंस में लिखा होता है। ऐसे ही आपके जो चैप्टर का नेम होता है वो आपको ऊपर देखने के लिए मिल जाता है, तो उसको हेडर बोलते हैं, और जो नीचे पेज नंबर देखने को मिल जाते हैं उनको हम फूटर बोलते हैं। तो आज हम उनके बारे में ही डिस्कस करेंगे दैट हाउ टू इंसर्ट हेडर एंड फूटर इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट। और उसके अलावा वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट पेज ब्रेकिंग, हाउ टू इंसर्ट अ पेज ब्रेक in your document. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today we will learn how to insert page break in your document. So as you can see, the data is available on two different pages. Now I am going to join them by inserting page break setting. So to insert page break setting, you just have to click on insert tab. After clicking on insert tab, there is the option of page break. I am going to click on this one. So as you can see, it will break our page. Now the data of both pages is at a single page. In layout, there is the option of page break. You can see different options here like page break, column break, text wrapping, next page, continuous, even page, odd page, and many things. So you can also use them according to your need. Now as you can see on this page, the data is in two columns, so I am going to fix it. So now I will click on continuous, so it will fix that particular paragraph to the next line. So now I am going to select this one, and in column group I will click on 1, so it will adjust the paragraph in a single column. So now we will learn some column adjustment and column settings. As you can see, the data on this page is of left side and the right side is empty, so I am going to fix it. So to fix it, to use the blank area, I am going to select all the data, and after selecting, in layout tab there is an option of column, so you can choose given options like 1, 2, 3, left, right, and more columns. I am going to choose 2, so it will break or it will adjust that particular data on two different columns. But there is a problem. As you can see, the heading of second column is still available on the first column. So just click on the starting point, and in break option there is the option of column, so it will break your column and adjust it to the second column. You can also adjust your columns by these handles, and in column group there is also an option of more column, so you can adjust your width and spacing according to your requirement. So if you want to again change it to previous position, so to do this you have to select all the data, and after selecting, go to column group and there is option of 1. So it is very interesting setting by which you can enhance look of your page. So now we will learn how to insert header and footer on our page. To insert header and footer, you just have to double click at the top of or bottom of the page. So as well as you click on double click on your page, so it will open your header and footer setting. So you can simply type any header as per your requirement. So it is a basic header which you can add. So there are some headers also available in our computer system, so you can also choose them. Just click on insert tab, and in insert tab there is the option of header. So after clicking on header, you can select any design as per your need. So I am going to select this one. So now it will show your header just like this. So you can simply type any title which you want to add in your page header. We can also adjust date in header. You just have to double click again on the header. After double clicking, it will again open header and footer in edit mode. Just go to date and time option and select any particular format. I am going to choose this one. Now you can see there is the option of update automatically. If you will click on this option, so it will update your date and time to your current date and time. But if you don't want to update it, uncheck this box and click OK. So it will insert that particular date or time in your header. Header works on the top of the page and footer works on the bottom of the page. The working of both are similar. If you will insert a header at a page, so you will see that header on every page of your document. You can also insert page number at your header or footer. So to insert page number on header and footer, you just have to click insert tab, and there is the option of page number. So as you can see, it is showing different options like top of page, bottom of page, page margins and current position. So you can choose any one of them as per your need. So I am going to choose top of page. So I am going to choose this one. So it will insert page number at the top of every page. Now you can see it will show page number on every page in a sequence. As you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, it is showing page number in a sequence. This is page number 27. Now I am going to change this page number from page number 1 again. So it means it will show page number 1 to 26, and then it will restart page number from 1. So now as you can see, there is the option of start at. So you have to choose a number. As you can see 1 is written by default. So I am going to choose 1 and press OK. So it will insert page number 1 at the place of page number 27. So these are some basic features by which you can adjust data of your pages. You can insert header and footer page numbers and many different things. So I hope it's clear now. So that is it for today, students. Stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much.